if you want to read a book that's short and crisp but at the same time rich and complex in its characters and storyline and has a lot of depth, then you need to read this book. It's about African American culture and what it's like to be a black woman, about finding your identity and what happens when you conform to the rules set up by the society and what happens when you do not conform or abide by the rules set up by the society. This book is called Sula by Toni Morrison. The writing in this book is absolutely beautiful. I loved it from the very beginning. It starts with a description of this place called Bottom, which is ironically on top of a hill, and the black people live there. So it starts with that, and then it goes from generation to generation. It talks about our actions and the consequences of our actions, how it impacts our own life as well as the life of people that we love. And yeah, one great thing about this book is there are so many twists and turns, and it's so heartbreaking at times. It's so heartbreaking at times. I was sobbing, and a lot of times my jaw was on the floor. I was only halfway, or not even halfway, like 30% through this book, and I was so shocked that I just closed the book and stared at the wall for like 10 whole minutes. It explores a lot of themes like family, friendship, gender, race, society, betrayal, abandonment. A lot of things are discussed in this book, and it's only 174 pages. It's really short, but it's a masterpiece, and I would recommend everybody to read this book at least once in their life. It's that good. So, if you have any more suggestions like this book here, please let me know in the comments and do let me know if you like the book.